We live in connected world. We communicate and spread information using internet that's spread by satellites and communication cables. We move our goods and our people through air via airplane, through sea via ships, and through land via railway and road. Today, I want to talk about the effects of transportation activities of road development toward environmental aspect and ways to reduce it. First thing first, I explain about road and its importance. Next, I talk about the issues that rise from road development. Lastly, some of the recommendations to address the issues and some of the benefits we gain from those approaches. Roads are ubiquitous to our modern world. With roads, we can connect peoples, tie cities, and establish economic network. Hence improve our world socially and economically, giving the rise of globalization. Globalization is the process of interaction between peoples, businesses, and governments across national and geographic borders. From here on we can see some countries rise to superpower status such as United States of America and People's Republic of China. Those countries rise to superpower have relation to its effort to connect cities, port, and industrial areas via expansive road or interstate highway. It is so wonderful from having road can bring multitude of benefits to the modern world. Yet there's some implication from having unsustainable road development. The expansive road network has been blamed for fragmentation to the natural world. Fragmentation is process that being broken in small and separate part. It dissects large continuous habitats into smaller pieces, causing fragmentation on the distribution of species on affected regions. This due to characteristic of road that foreign in the local habitat. Moreover, it acts as barrier that inhibit movement between patches of habitat. Not forget to mention that they can be died in collision with moving vehicles while trying to cross it. And they also become easy prey to predator and hunter. Smaller habitats mean smaller carrying capacity. Carrying capacity is an ability to hold and maintain certain volume or unit of species for each habitat. Due to its lesser carrying capacity, the habitats can only support a small number of an individual species, especially big mammals such as tiger, buffalo, and deer. Moreover, habitat isolation of small numbers of individuals lead to inbreeding. This likely to increases the chances of cancer and diseases amongst them. Over time, this phenomenon will drive them to extinction. To overcome the issue of fragmentation, there are several ways that we might consider. One of it is reconnecting patches of habitat via green corridor. The main idea of green corridor is to provide safe highway for the animals to cross via bridges and tunnels. The introduction of animal crossing can reduce casualties due to collision, and it's great ways to establish green space over or under and along the road, giving it aesthetic value and promote sustainability. Other than that, prevent any further road development into extremely sensitive areas that rich in biodiversity and contain valuable environmental services. Enlargement of such site highly encouraged as it will give room for species to grow and enhance their environmental services, especially during the rise of climate crises, as we urgently need all alternatives to cool down global temperatures rise and increase carbon sequestration. In conclusion, we know that road development is necessary to usher the development forward. But we must aware that it needs to be sustainable from the planning stage to reduce fragmentation. Hence, it can be done by applying recommendations such as building green corridors, enhance conservation and protection efforts.